A lot of people have been having this thought in their mind that what lash should they use? Should they go with the cluster or the extension? I'll be helping you break that down in this video. The cluster lash is a short-term wear and it is usually clustered together like this. Number two, it comes with its own adhesive, while for the extension is a long-term wear. It has its own adhesive. You cannot interchange a cluster lash glue with an extension lash glue. Number two, the cluster lash can be fixed by yourself. It's a DIY kind of lash that you can do by yourself at home. Between 30, 1 hour, sometimes 15 minutes, depending on your speed and how used to the lash you are, you can place that yourself. You necessarily don't need to place it to your natural lash in a single form, meaning individual lash. You just cluster lashes together and you place 2, 3, 4, 5 clustered lash will make a good set on your eye. They also pop well with the eye, they accentuate the eye, and they also give beauty to the eyes. For extensions, you cannot fix it by yourself. You need to go to a professional to do it for you. And for every lash they pick, every extension that's been taken from its tray, it's placed directly on a single natural lash. So they have to they need to make sure they place every single lash on your natural lash, meaning 1 to 1 or 2 to 1 or 4 to 1. So, and another thing, it's a long-term wear, like I said before, and depending on your lifestyle and how much time you have, how much you love to have lashes on, both of them have aftercare. You need to be very careful with them. You need to manage them well to be able to always love your look. And I, I'll come to this conclusion by saying both cluster and extensions are good lash and they're good set if you want to always have them on. The only difference is one is a short-term wear and the other is a long-term wear. If you want convenience, you want to save yourself time to do other stuff, you don't want to be going over back and forth and fixing lashes, you go with your extension. But if you have the time, you can sleep with having lashes on, you get it stored, but you want to have a wear for like 2 3 days, yes, you could go with your cluster. Now your extension can stay as long as 4 to 6 weeks, while your cluster can stay between 2 to 7 days. So you understand what I mean now. So I hope this helps somebody. I hope you've been able to learn something from this video. Please try to subscribe and we see in my next education on beauty videos. Bye for now.